What's up, YouTube? I'm back again with another video, and this right here will be a part 4 repairing a loose steering wheel on a 1995 Buick Century. And now, as on part 3 follow-up, I'm down to the basin, as I'm down to the very bottom of where these bolts go right here. You can see these are the ones that be loose right here. This one, as you can see, I done tightened them. But what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take this one back out. And as I take it out, I'm going to put, I ain't got no Loctite. I'm going to put some crazy glue on the end of them. Because you don't want these bolts here to come back slack no more. If you can see, these the bolts right here. As you can see me turning it back out. And these are the actual bolts that work loose, that have your steering wheel all over the place. It's these. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to pop this one out right here. And I'm going to put some crazy glue on it. Clean it off pretty much. And put crazy glue up there. And then just stick it back in there. When that crazy glue get hard, she ain't going to bag back out no more. You know, it don't take much to hold them little bit of bolts in there. And that crazy glue will keep it from backing once it get in the thread. And pretty much you won't have to do this no more. The car be wore out if you do. I think the car be going to the graveyard by the time these bolts slacking up again. Oh, pretty much. And all these cars I got, I'm pretty sure I'll be done bought some more cars or trucks and stuff or whatever, you know. So, you know, I wouldn't even really worry too much about it no more. I just fix up something else to drive. But yeah, here you go. As I'm gonna take this here, as I clean this off, I'm gonna put some crazy glue on this bolt right here, and then I'm gonna screw it back in here. And let's see, can y'all see what I do that? Let's see. As you can see, is the crazy glue right here. Just put a little bit up there in the threads. You mostly try to get it to the bottom down here, so it won't back. Just start slacking it first from the bottom. And it doesn't take much, just enough to get up there on the basin of this boat right here and get hard. Basin all you want right here. Then I'm gonna put it back in there like this here. Just take your ratchet wrench socket thing. Just screw it in there like this. Just hand tighten it first. And just screw it on down like that. As you can see, that shit really tight right now. It go right there. That shit extra tight. I put some muscle to it. And you just do all fours, 1, 2, 3, and there's 4 bolts. So far, I put the crazy glue on 3 of these bolts. The 4th one I got to do is right there. It probably won't even be necessary, to tell you the truth. Probably can get by with just putting crazy glue or Loctite on 3 of these bolts will be enough. I don't think they'll bag back no more. Actually, 2 bolts will hold this thing tight anyway. So, you know, that's pretty much it. And I hope this helps somebody. And it will be, I will continue with part 5 as I put it back together. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe to my channel. I want to thank all my viewers, all my subscribers. And any negative comments, just keep them to yourself. Because once I read them, you will be blocked. And I'll see y'all on the next video, part 5. YouTube. Peace out.